garden update for the day. This watermelon's coming along very nicely. I'm vining out, hanging out with this basil buddy over here. My peach tree is literally as tall as me now. Got some little okra coming in, I can't wait. Just transplanted the sunflower. Got my beans growing on the fence. I love it, I love it. Oh, these are actually starting to flower. Ooh, I'm gonna have some beans soon. Check it out. And then big basil bush right here. Peppers. Pollinator blend. Basil madness. And corn. How fun. Into the basil.